Safety first! Help us!
Look! A giant hand is saving us!
We are saved! Thank you!
Hooray! We did it! The light is back on!
These emotional miniature worlds where tiny people struggle and giant hands come to save them instantly capture attention and make viewers watch till the very end. The creators who learned this hidden skill are growing faster than ever across YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. And the most surprising part is, creating these videos is much easier than people think. You don't need expensive software, advanced editing skills, or a professional studio setup. In this video, we will teach you the complete step-by-step method using powerful free AI tools to create cinematic mini rescue videos in HD quality. So watch carefully till the end, because this small niche has the power to become your next viral content opportunity. Open ChatGPT and tap the More option, then select Deep Research. In the app, tap Connect More, then click Explore Apps. Open GPTs and search for Mini Rescue Generator in the search bar. Click the option shown below the search results. A pop-up window will appear. Tap Start the Generator. After starting, the GPT will suggest 10 mini rescue video topics. Choose any one topic number and send it to ChatGPT. The GPT will instantly generate image prompts and video prompts related to that topic. However, these topics may already be commonly used by many creators. To get more unique and creative ideas, copy the custom prompt provided in the description and paste it into ChatGPT. This will generate 10 fresh and unique mini rescue topics. Once you select a topic, ChatGPT will ask you to choose a video ratio. After selecting the ratio, the GPT will create matching image and video prompts for that topic. To create more videos, simply select another topic and give the command again. ChatGPT will continue generating image and video prompts according to your chosen topics. Copy the image prompt and generate images using Flow AI. Then paste the video prompt into Flow AI to create the video. Using our specially designed prompts, you can easily create high-quality mini rescue short videos in Flow AI, while also getting unique topics that help your content stand out from other creators. I hope this video helped you discover how simple and powerful the mini rescue niche can truly be. With the right prompts, creative storytelling, and free AI tools, anyone can create emotional cinematic mini rescue videos that people love to watch and share. Keep practicing, stay creative, and never be afraid to try new rescue ideas, because every great creator starts with one small step. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more amazing AI video techniques, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful content. Your support means everything and inspires us to bring even more creative ideas for you.